reached Phuket International Airport. Yay! And now we are waiting for a taxi to come. We booked a sharing taxi with these people. And these yellow booths, you can book your taxi here itself. And now we are waiting. Finally, we reached our hotel after 2 hours long drive. I was super tired. But yeah, my experience of this hotel is really nice. Their housekeeping is also too good, I must say that. And now I am at the most pleasant part of the hotel. It was very soothing for me. I just loved it. And there are 2 buildings. One of this is this one. This is the suites part of this hotel. And another one is now from where I am showing you the view, where there is 1 room for 2 persons, and this is the suites building, and this view is from my balcony, like my room. Wow. Now we are planning to go out of the hotel, and here you can see this street just in 5 minutes away distance, and this beach walk was amazing. This street is just opposite to the beach. Like wow. And here you can have many Indian restaurants where you can eat, you can have dinner. It's an amazing street. I liked it. I super liked it. We are still walking and came across this street. It's such a lively street, as you can see that the girl in that club, she's dancing. It's not a doll. I love that thing. And it's having music all along the street. You must come to this street if you come to Phuket. See, I told you, love it. People will come to you, they will show you different types of cards. You will laugh at it. Some people will enjoy, have fun. So you should come over here. This part is really nice. They have food street also over here. After that walk, we took our bike now and we are just roaming around the street. Yeah, we don't feel like we are tired now. From where this energy came, even I don't know, but yeah, we are still roaming around and having the view. And these things are like near to my hotel. They are not too much far, but we took this bike and we rented it. And they gave us petrol filled in this so that we can go to the petrol station nearby and fill it again. And yeah, you can roam wherever you want to go. The bike is yours, the petrol is yours, how much you want to fill it, and you can roam around and have these views wherever you want to go. Only you have to follow some rules that you have to wear this helmet. Yes, I needed to wear this helmet, otherwise I would be fined or like any other problem can occur. So it's better to like wear it. And yeah, this bike is really heavy. The bikes over here, they are heavy to handle, but yeah, I'm enjoying it. The street and the liveliness. Still, it's so late in night, but still people are coming and going. It doesn't feel like you're not safe over here or nothing. There's no such feeling. You can enjoy according to you, but you need to take precautions according to yourself, and you can enjoy the weather and everything. And you can see that over there. It is a casino. Like, yes, it is a casino. You can see that. And now we are feeling hungry after that much long ride, because we reached our hotel by 8 and had that walk along the street for like 1 hour, 1.5 hour. Yeah, for 1.5 hours maybe. And now we are hungry, so maybe we head on somewhere to eat. And finally we came here. It's a food street. It's the next day and we are here after the last night tiredness, everything gone. We are here to enjoy the view, the beaches, for all that which we came. And yeah, we booked this boat and now we'll head on to the first destination. Here it is. It's Khai Nai Island. Yeah, we are just about to reach the island. It was a long drive. Yeah, I can say that. and we reached it. You can see that water. It's like, oh my god, it's so clean in front of my eyes. I just can't believe it. The color seems like it's like a sky, but yeah, it is water in front of you. Again we sat on this boat, and like I'm feeling so terrified because the speed of this boat is really very high. We all are sitting with our life jackets on to be secure for our next destination, and finally we reached here. This is Phi Phi Island, and the water is still the same. You can see that how so many boats are over here. They are like polluting this, but still it's so clean. People are enjoying, they are having their sun bath, and everyone is there. This part was really nice. This beach is so vast, you can enjoy. We have our buffet behind, you can see that so many chairs. We ate there. Again in the same boat for our next destination to reach. Here we are. This is the Monkey Beach. Yes, you can say that we didn't like get out over here. Then we headed on to another part, that is the Rawai. I don't know exactly what to call it, but yeah, it's the Rawai Island, or like place where we did snorkeling, and this was an amazing experience because it was not near any shore or any near coastline. It was not like that. It was proper in between the ocean, and this view was necessary. Like you can see that it's in between properly, and the view that I saw inside the water was amazing. The fishes would come to your hand. They were coming to my hand. Like I can't tell you the feeling. And you can see the greenery of the ocean just in front of you. It was wow. We are over here for more than 1 hour, I guess. We'll enjoy over here, and then we'll move again back to another few destination that will come along the road, or not the road, or like along the trip back to the station from where we started it. But yes, this part of this trip was amazing. Like I loved it, and our guide was super friendly with us. He helped us a lot. Here we came now. These are the Viking caves. We didn't went inside this. Again we moved on, but I really like this view. The two hills or two mountains, whatever it is, in between such a vast ocean. Like it was very nice view. I loved this view. Finally, we reached near our hotel where I showed you the casino yesterday when we were riding the bike. Yeah, and we came back from our trip. The day is over now. We'll just do some water sports over here, and then we'll move back to the hotel after that for our next day's trip, which we are planning, which you'll get to see in some time. But yeah, this was our whole day. It was really tiring for us. And the next morning, here we are. We are now heading to Big Buddha. Again with our own bike. Yeah, for now it is. It is your own bike. You can go wherever you want. And the view, the roads, it remembered me of the song of Ranbir Kapoor. Yeah, Suraj Duba Hai. Yeah, the road views, everything was exactly the same. And we reached finally over here, and this view was like, what to say, words were small in front of this view. We reached the top of Big Buddha. Yeah, and people are not allowed over here to wear shorts and skirts, especially foreigners, because you come to a religious place, so you have to wear proper clothes. You can see to this girl, she's having a cloth that is given over here, so you need to be dressed properly if you want to come at this place. It was really nice. Now we are heading back to our hotel, and we stopped here in between for this view. I don't know, so many views were there, you just can't stop yourself from viewing that or stopping over there. So finally we ended this vlog over here. I hope you